Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Sensation. This is their aromatherapy in a box. It includes 6 pure essential oil blends and a Tree of Life oil diffuser necklace. This company I've done unboxings for in the past. They also sell aromatherapy bath bombs, and I will link those videos below in case you're interested. In the inside of the lid, it has instructions. It says to select your favorite blend, pour only 1 to 3 drops onto the pad to avoid any leaks on your clothes. You open the pendant on the right side and place it in. Sounds easy enough. Cute. So here are our essential oils. We also have the charm that has the little Tree of Life on it. That's really cute. And it opens on the right side. There's a little indent over here. See if I can get my nail in there. And then you can place one of these colored pads in here along with your essential oils. They also included a little heart charm that you can add to the necklace. The chain is individually packaged. And they include all these different colors. That way you can color coordinate it to your outfit if you wanted to, which I kind of think is cool. So if you're wearing pink or green or maroon or light pink or black, you can pick whatever color. That's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the necklace together, and I will be right back to show you the essential oils. So here is the necklace. I did include the little heart charm. I think it's a nice touch. But the chain itself is pretty long and it is adjustable. There's a little bit of room there if you need to make it longer. And then the essential oils, there are 6 different ones: Romance, Serenity, Unwind, Immunity, Validity, and Health. And I believe on the back it shows you which essential oils are inside. So I think I'm going to go with Health because I love the smell of peppermint, eucalyptus, and tea tree. So I'm going to take that one out. And it says to open it and just put 1 to 3 drops. You do have to be careful because it comes out pretty quickly. And that's all there is to it. And then you can wear it. I love the fact that you can switch out the different colors. I think that's a great idea. I'm a pretty plain person, so I would probably just leave it on black, but these other colors are very nice as well. Ooh, that's pretty. Kind of like a teal color. You can have a neon color. Those are beautiful. So if you guys are interested in ordering one of these kits, I will have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.